Hello, and welcome to the Microservices with TypeScript course. I'm Amit. I've been a system architect for the last decade, spending the last 4 years constructing enterprise cloud solutions using microservices. We used Node.js and moved to TypeScript early on after experiencing the shortcomings of JavaScript and the need for better structure for organizing a large team. I later introduced Golang for the more heavy-duty operations, benefiting from the technological flexibility allowed by this architecture. Let's have a look at the course agenda. The course will be made up of 5 sections. The first section is about building a single service and all that surrounds it for building, testing, and deploying. The second section is about having multiple services with UI and API and facilitating their interactions. The third section is the theory and definition of microservice architecture. The fourth will be dealing with the complexity of deploying and orchestrating the service, using common solutions such as containers and cache services. The last section will be about the needs that arise once you want to go public, like authentication and user management. This course is hands-on. Everything possible will be covered with TypeScript code examples. I will try and cover the most popular frameworks and use cases, but you should feel free to choose differently and have different components and methods, since in Node.js you will never lack for online examples. I will not show Kubernetes, DevOps pipelines, monitoring, and logging. Some of these topics require a whole course of their own.